The Volt Premium Solar Spotlight offers customizable brightness with 3 output levels, delivering up to 175 lumens of warm 2700 Kelvin light with a high 90 plus CRI for natural, rich illumination. Unlike competitors, it maintains peak brightness for over 4 hours on low mode before dimming, ensuring long-lasting performance. Designed for efficiency, this IP65 rated fixture fully recharges in just 4.5 hours of direct sunlight and provides up to 8 hours of illumination. The wire-free design allows for a flexible installation with an included 9-inch ground stake and surface mount, making it perfect for landscapes, gardens, and pathways. Backed by a lifetime warranty on the fixture and a 2-year warranty on the solar panel, the Volt Premium Solar Spotlight is a reliable, high-performance outdoor lighting solution.